Virgin Atlantic Airways, as you know, has Airbus 340s and Boeing 747-400s, but today you've been watching the Boeing 747 Classic in operation. I do hope you learned something about our operation and enjoyed watching it. Thank you and goodbye.